Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix try again later on Instagram problem. So the message which says try again later problem. So for this, the first option is to reset your password. Open Instagram, tap on your account picture. Now tap on settings and privacy. From here, after reaching here, tap on settings and privacy. Now tap on password and security. Tap on change password. Tap on Instagram account. Now tap on forget password and reset your password and log in again. The second fix is to report the problem. Take a screenshot of the error message. Open Instagram. Tap on menu icon. Tap on 3 horizontal dots. Tap on settings and privacy again. Now after reaching here, scroll down and find help. Find help. From here, tap on help. Tap on report the problem. After tapping report a problem, choose report a problem without checking and don't include. From here, upload the screenshot of the error, upload it, briefly explain the problem, tap on send. So this is the second fix. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.